the population P of t of a species in thousands of individuals is modeled by P of t. Let's not use x. P of t is equals to that. So P of t is equals to negative t squared plus 8t plus 5. So find the time when the population is maximum. So clearly this quadratic equation represents a maximum graph. So at the highest point there, this is where t is max. Now that of course represents the vertex of the quadratic equation. So meaning that to find the time when the population is maximum, we just need to say t is equals to negative b over 2a. That's how we find the vertex for the x coordinate. So negative 8 divided by 2 times negative 1. So we get a 4. So the population is maximum. So we can say population is maximum when t is equals to 4. Now we've not been given the units of time, so we'll just leave it as it is. Then part B says, what is the maximum population? Since we know that the population is maximum when t is 4, then we just have to say the function that we've been given, P of t, negative t squared plus 8t plus 5. We have to replace time with 4. So we'll say 4 there like that is equals to negative 4 squared plus 8 times 4 plus 5. So P of 4 will be equals to negative 16 plus 32 plus 5. Now negative 16 plus 32 is 16 plus 5, we get 21. So since P of t is in thousands, so we'll just say 21,000. Alright, so part C now says, when does the population reach 0? Either extinction or initial population. So when does the population P of t reach 0? So let's find the time, meaning that we equate the quadratic equation to 0. So this is equal to 0. So now let's solve the quadratic equation. So t is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all this is over 2a. So t is equals to, our b is 8, so negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4. Our a value is negative 1 and our c value is 5. All this is over 2 times a, so that is 2 times negative 1. So t will be equals to negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 64. Then the negative gives us a plus 20 divided by negative 2. Okay, so let's just remove all this. So t will be equals to negative 8 plus or minus, I don't like this, let's do it properly. So negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 84 divided by negative 2. So the first value of t will be negative 8 plus the square root of 84 divided by negative 2, or t will be equals to negative 8 minus the square root of 84 divided by negative 2. So now, of course, we're going to get two results. So the first result that we get will be negative 0.58. So t here is equal to negative 0.58, or t here is equals to positive 8.58. Now, if we compare the two, this maximum time here represents extinction because this amount of time has passed. So this represents extinction. While this negative time represents the initial population. artificial population. So there we have it.